Now imagine for a second that the spectator selects any card that they like. That card is then lost into the center of the deck and shuffled thoroughly by a spectator. And for the final reveal, the spectator spells out their card, and their card is located in that position. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'll be revealing my take on spelling a card. Let's do it. So just to give you guys a little bit of a background, this trick is known as spelling a card by Lawrence Gray, and this is just my take on the trick. So let's break it down. So now to start off, I like to force a card on the spectator and make it seem as free as a choice as possible. So in order to do this, I use the cull force. Is that a force? But in short, I cull a card and force that card upon the spectator. So in order to do that, I take a look and memorize the fourth card from the top. In this case, it's the Four of Clubs. And now as I go through, I cull that card, and I continue going through. Whenever the spectator calls out stop, I square up the deck and show the spectator that culled card. So now from here, I take this card, put it, in somewhere in the center of the deck, hand the deck over to the spectator, and allow them to shuffle the deck as thoroughly as they would like. Now, once they're satisfied with the shuffle, I take the card back from the spectator and tell the spectator that most of the time when a performer gives the deck to the spectator, they've either taken the card out of the deck, hidden it somewhere, or done something fishy like that. So I'm just going to go through the deck now and show you that the card is somewhere in the deck. And now while you're doing this, you already know the spectator's card in this case is the Four of Clubs. So now you're going to go through one card at a time, and you're going to find the Four of Clubs. In this case, it's right on top, so it's good, I think. But you come across the Four of Clubs, you start going through the deck like this, and now you're going to start counting off and spelling Four of Clubs. So you see Four of Clubs. Now you don't count this card, you go FOUROFCLUBS. And now from here, I actually take the next card and I put it down a little bit, so you can see there. So it's protruding out a little bit on the bottom. And then I just continue doing just like this, just to show the spectator that I'm showing them every single card. Okay, now you don't want to start speeding up randomly in the middle of nowhere. Also, it may not help to have a blank card there, but I had it there for my performance, so I'm just keeping it in here now. So once that's done, you square up the deck, you ask the spectator that, just confirm that that they saw their card in the deck. Right now from here, you have that card sticking out right on the bottom of the deck. So now you're going to catch a break right above that card. So come over with your thumb, push that card down and forward, catching that break. Can you see that? Catching that break as needed. So now from here, you could do a double undercut, you could just do a cut, whatever you want to do. You want to get this packet where you have that break, you want to get that on top of the deck. So here you could just do a double undercut like this, or you could just do, if it's like this, just do a cut like this, whatever feels more comfortable and more natural to you. Now once this is done, I do like performing a false overhand shuffle just to bring it, make it seem more believable that the card is in fact lost somewhere in the center of the deck. So from here, give it to the spectator, you can give it a false cut if you want, do whatever you want to do. Hand the deck over to the spectator and have them spell out their card. So in this case it was, what was it? Right, so in this case it was the Four of Clubs, so FOUROFCLUBS. And then boom, do that card reveal, and there it is, the Four of Clubs. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not a huge fan of spelling card tricks, but I know a handful of people who are, so I wanted to do this performance for you guys. And speaking of performances, if you want to go check out some more performances, go click on that video right there because it is amazing. And if not, go add some magic into people's day. Peace out.